Hello again, time for another overnight test, the 2021 Sienna. We are going to be heating the Sienna tonight. It is approximately 28 degrees out here in central Illinois, and I'm going to give it a good 8-hour test here. With one difference from the last time, we're going to try auto mode. So we'll scope that out in just a second. So that's the difference from the last test. We'll see if there's any difference in amount of gas used, etc., etc. So outside temperature 28, feels like 19, and it should be gradually warming overnight till maybe 30 degrees when I get up. All right, let's check out the stats. We have it set at 68 front and rear. Get it in focus there. 68 front and rear, but we are on auto in the front and auto in the back. So we'll see if there's any difference versus the fan being on constantly. Last time I had the fan at the second setting or even the first barely on setting, but all night long the fan was running. So now with auto, perhaps it'll be a little more efficient. I don't know, we will see. Let's look at our distance to empty is 482. 482, and since I'm nowhere near a gas station, we will have to use miles to empty to estimate about how much gas we're using. Okay, so it's 9:30 p.m. and I will check back in with you and we'll see what the stats are here. All right. Okay, with auto mode, I'm feeling kind of just a little bit of breeze here, but back here, got some really loud noise there going behind the bike. Fan is really cranking for some reason. So we'll see if things completely shut off once I get to the 68 degree mark. And I just fired up the fan a little bit ago, so could take a while to reach ambient temperature of 68. And we'll see if it actually, fully turns off on auto mode. Right now it's cranking pretty good. Okay, just checking in here at about 6 hours. We're at 456 miles to empty. And I'm feeling a little warm. I'm actually gonna turn down. Let's go down to 65 for the last few hours here. All right, we'll check in a bit later. All right. We reached the 8-hour mark here. 30 degrees outside. So a couple hours ago, I reduced the temperature to 65. Very comfortable in here. And here is our final number of miles to empty. It is 449. After a comfortable night here, no condensation, plenty warm. All right, let me crunch some numbers and we'll wrap this up. Okay, here is the data. We had 482, we ended up with 449. That's 33 miles of potential use. And at 36 miles per gallon, that's 0.91 gallons used. I paid $3.05 for gas here in Illinois. So the overnight 8 hours cost me $2.79, which works out to 34 cents per hour. All right, so here's my thoughts. It was pretty similar really to the last video that I did as far as costs per hour, costs for the night to heat. It was a little colder tonight, to be fair, than the previous video. Auto mode seemed fine to me. No condensation on the windows, and a good night's sleep, which is the bottom line, So I will do more of these in the future with different scenarios. So, just some more data for you if you're considering this vehicle. And I think it's a great way to go for travel and long-term van life so far, anyway. All right, thanks for watching.